Alright, so this is 2013 Fusion Hybrid, a regular, no plug-in hybrid. It has coolant temperature, a sensor error, and then a coolant temperature sensor is back here. You need to remove the cover. You don't have to, but it will make it much easier to access it. Two 7mm bolts, one here, one up here. Disconnect electricals here, and two hoses also, which is connected right here. And there's also right here cylinder head temperature sensor right underneath here. If you're looking for that sensor, it's between second and third cylinder, and some people say this one is the coolant temperature sensor, but it looks like this one is cylinder head temperature sensor. So again, so that sensor is behind the engine, covered up by the heat shield. I just disconnect this one, and there's a pin that holds it down. It's dark here, but just hold it down there. So this is the old one. Replace it with the new one. It's easy job. It takes about 10-20 minutes max. Yeah, so I couldn't find anything on YouTube. This is the same engine as C-Max also, so that works on C-Max, but C-Max is smaller, so you have to remove a bunch of stuff over probably.